right, full transparency time. Let me make sure. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yup. And then it's gonna switch accounts. Yeah. Are we good? Are we live? Yeah. All right, sick. Cool. All right. I'm gonna change this, bro. This music is gonna make me lose every dollar I've ever had. All right, what's good? No copyright dubstep. Hey. Yo, B-Study, I hit you up on Discord. Yeah, of course. Hey, you guys want to do? What's up, guys? How we feeling? Good morning. What is everybody up to? NVIDIA is going to 200 right now. Oh my God, bro. We did, what, 11% on our little semiconductor ETF yesterday? If we get a $200 NVIDIA today, I mean, yeah, you're right, bro. It just goes to show you can't believe any of the shit these guys fucking throw on your plate, man. What does the Strait of Hormuz have to do with a $200 NVIDIA? The moment people stop talking about slop is the moment the slop goes up. All they need is no narrative. They don't even need a positive narrative. They just need no narrative for stocks to go up. It's just slop, bro. And you cannot believe the narrative. You cannot believe this narrative, bro. It's insane. Opens at 196.50. You were up all night working on BMW? Damn. What year? And what model? All right. Anyway, 199 NVIDIA. Do we short this shit or do we ride it to a 211 like last time? Let's see what Trade GPT says. But yeah, good morning, guys. What's the deal? What's the deal? What is the deal? All right, Trade GPT is definitely going to tell me NVIDIA calls. I can't imagine the amount of pressure that banks, institutions, and hedge funds are putting on a stock like this in a morning like this. On both ends, right? I bet they're sweeping up below ask puts, and I bet they're doing block orders on above ask calls, all happening right now. I think I'm going to short it for a weekly swing. Yeah, I mean, Brandon, but that's you believing the narrative. You think it's short for a weekly swing? Yeah, this is NVIDIA, right? No, this is something else. What is this? Robinhood. Interesting. Has Robinhood had a pop like NVIDIA today? And then let's look at these contracts real quick. 17th of April, so 2 days, of course. And then a 10/20 ask. It's not a bad. With whatever the fuck's happening on Robinhood this morning, I'll play ball. Just something really short with a tight expiration. Yeah, we can play ball here. Okay, also, full transparency. I'm in everything except... I got out of everything except for MU. I got out of Intel. Intel expires on Friday anyway. I got out of all these yesterday, like I said. The only one that I'm going to keep my P&L tracker on is Intel. But yeah, dude, I mean, this is like the amount of money we have made this week. It honestly isn't even. It isn't fair for me as someone who has no experience trading to make this much money. Like, and I know dudes who have been trading way longer than me who are making way less. In fact, losing money this week. And It's kind of weird, bro. And I feel like I shouldn't feel a type of way, but like, bro, I like at some point, you know, it's like I start to feel bad, bro. I'm gonna show you guys this fill on MU, and this is the only trade from this little run I'm still in right now. So this is my MU fill. Here, I'm gonna put this on the screen. Hold on, I'm sharing my screen. Give me a second. So we did this on April 8th, and it was just kind of one of these trades. All right, check this out. This MU right here. We bought one contract for $44, so $4,490 on this. I believe here we're gonna see just in a second. I'll show you guys how much this is worth right now. Let me put this on my P&L tracker. But this is the only trade I have going, and then I'll put this Robinhood trade in. MU, and then this was a 390. And then 517, right? Yeah. Call 40. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm up 3,200 on this right now. But let's place this next Robinhood trade. I don't really want to count this towards my daily profit. I kind of want to restart with Robinhood at a $10.20. So I would need, yeah, let's get active right now before I can't fill anymore at this price. But it's like, dude, like, I mean, bro, I'll go band for band with any trader this week. Like, really, on percentages. I won't go band for band on profit made because I'm not gonna compete against your $100,000 fucking prop firm guys. But bro, yeah, I'll go trade for trade with anybody this week. Just because shit has been so legit. So I got a $75 strike for 17th of April. Yeah, okay, perfect. I can fill below $10. I can fill at $9.95 right now. Bid and ask. Yeah, I'll probably fill at actually 10.15. And then if I do 3 of these, 3,100. I think that's a good place to start on the morning. Yeah, we filled at 10.45, guys. We filled at $10.45 on these Robinhood. So we came in a little bit higher on a market order. It's just retardism sometimes on my end. But we could play ball here for sure. Let's go 1 minute and see what the dealio is. Yeah, we got chopped central, bro. All right. Okay, this is my trade. Robinhood, $75 strike, 17th of April. Literally right down to the T. I did 3 contracts at $10.45. I just filled these right now at April 15th, 2026, 11:05 a.m. I did all this live on stream. Like, I found the trade, did everything live on stream, right? If you guys don't believe me, I guess, like, I don't know, suck me. All right, let's pop this baby into our P&L tracker. And we're good to go. Let's see where the wind blows us, hey? Tight expiration, bro. Tight expiration. Okay, cool. We're getting motion. What would you recommend? What would you recommend to be a systematic trader or no? I don't know. What's a systematic trader, bruh? Like, like, compared to what? Like a non-systematic? What does a non-systematic trader do versus a systematic trader? Sounds like more work to be a systematic trader. I wouldn't consider myself a systematic trader. I would call myself like an anti-trader. What in the world? You're killing it today. We doing all right? All right, bro. I'm getting a fucking sweep on Robinhood. It's all good. It's a 1 minute chart. I'm guessing we go here, and then I get out. I get out here. This is gonna be my take profit. We're going to do a take Profizzy right here. And then what's going to be our... We're going to go this little... I'm not going to fucking do anything systematic, bro. I'm going to go here for my stop loss. Really bad risk to reward, but... and then I'm going to draw my entry here. Okay, our Pelosi line has been set. And then our entry was... Yo, what up? Send, stay hydrated. What up, what up, what up, what up? When I placed MU, April 8th, bro. April 8th is when I placed MU. Go back on my stream, April 8th, you can see. And then my entry was at 11:05. Okay, so this is already your entry line. All right, this orange lines are entry, right? So I'm actually gonna move this up just to be safe because I market ordered in at 11:05, and I'm gonna go to the top of that candle. Okay, this is our entry. So think about it like this: if this green goes above this orange line, we're technically in profit. Now these don't have like NVDA level interest, so it's not gonna be instant like realization when we are in profit. But it's a good kind of idea to understand, like, what's going on. Hey, bro, you got a beginner, Discord for beginners. I'm not a beginner, right, but I understand it off the bat. I just have more information. Yeah, Juan, I would go to Tradealgo.com. I would go to Tradealgo.com and use, like, their free tools. Arguably, like, the best type of, like, investment tools for anybody. And I'm not even, like, shilling at this point. I don't have, like, an affiliate link. Just type in Tradealgo.com. And that's the AI I use. Don't follow him. He's a scammer. He doesn't even know systematic trading. And no, yeah, you shouldn't follow me. I'm a scammer and I don't understand systematic trading. Exactly what Cardia says. Exactly what my guy says. And I want to remind you, these are the people that you'll listen to on the internet. So like, this is the guy who claims I'm a scammer. It's like, bro was posting League of Legends top 5 amazing plays years ago. Like, I mean, if these are the guys you're going to listen to in the market, don't listen to me, please. Don't. Like, it takes so much off my plate. Listen to Cardia, and you will find the recipe for grandeur. Thanks, bro. All the way, love. I'm in San Antonio, Texas. Thank you, bro. You're actually winning more with the AI? Bro, of course I'm winning more with the AI. I don't understand systematic trading. I don't understand systematic trading. Of course I'm winning with the AI. Come on, bro. Please don't stop commenting now. Yeah, how did the Delta? Oh, bro, Delta's cooking. You can give orangey vibes. Thank you, bro. I just trade actual assets in the stock market. XD, thanks for a spotlight. Yeah, you got it, bro. Whatever you want. Whatever you want. I will honor the trading experts like yourself, man. Whatever you need. I got you. My D-Wave calls are popping. Bro, my QUBTS calls are popping right now, bro. I got 2028 just cooking. Cooking, bro. All right, Robinhood. I entered at 10:45. We're at 10:55 right now. All right. I'm at 10:55 on these 10:45 entries. Hey, and also shout out to hold on. What do we got? 10:55. Low-key, guys, 1 month ago, I was not watching him win as much, but he's getting it in now. What's your all-time P&L from the market? I've made hundreds of quadrillions of dollars, my boy. I don't sell a course. I don't have a Discord or anything like that. I'm, like, bullish on tech. Yo, Meme God, you're my GOAT, bro. That's my GOAT right there. Meme God is my GOAT. Did you participate in GME short squeeze? No, I wasn't even trading during that point in time. Oh, bro, we're going to hit our exit quick. I don't know if I'm going to get out here. I don't know if I'm going to get out here on our exit. We're up 1085 on these 1045 entries. No music, I can hear my thoughts. You guys can't hear the music? I'm playing music right now. Bro, shout out to the fucking non-systematic process that I use to trade. Yeah, but just being bullish on tech. I'm not bullish on anything. I'm not bullish on anything. I'm literally just obedient to this like AI that I use that scans through dark pool information. How to use the AI? Can you show us a quick sample run? Yeah, super duper easy. This is free, by the way. Guys, go to tradealgo.com if you want to use what I use. If you don't, it's all good. Yeah, we're going to ride these all-time highs, bro. Okay, so look. So I go to tradealgo.com like this. I'm going to show you kind of what I do. So I go to trade. I just type in TradeAlgo to Google. I use their data, right? I wouldn't use ChatGPT and I wouldn't use Grok and I wouldn't use Claude for anything that I use with TradeAlgo just because it comes down to market data. So I go to tradealgo.com, right? This is their free interface. I go to resources right here and then I click Trade GPT. So what TradeAlgo does is they buy data from the stock market, right? They buy data from everywhere. Bloomberg, FactSet, Refinitiv Icon. They have like 160 different real-time stock market data sources. And then on top of all that data, they run AI through it. So I use this language model that scrapes TradeAlgo's data, and that's exactly what I did today to find Robinhood. So I asked the language model. I just copied this prompt right here from my prompt pack, prompt number 3. I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. It says, I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on an option on your best analysis or recommendation. So that's what I said to TradeGPT at 11:05 a.m. Rewind the stream, right? You don't believe I really have nothing to prove. I don't sell a course or anything like that. I'm here to show you guys how to use technology. But I asked, give me an options trade to make right now. Gave me Robinhood. And that's the trade I'm in right now. Bing bong. Yeah, every AI has problems, bro. Yo, the glasses make you a lot hotter. Thank you, bro. Yeah, that's it. That's how I use the AI. That's how I use the AI. Anyway, bro, we went from an entry line. We went from an entry line right here to a profit. We're banging, bro. I'm only gonna take one contract off the table. I'm up $204 right now. I'm at 1113. 1113 on these 1045 entries. Oh, dude, it's over with, bro. Yeah, problems exist, bro. What'd you say? Just entered a big short position. Just enter a... Yeah, bro. Yeah, there's not like any AI that doesn't hallucinate. Hey, yo, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Pause opening range breakout a good strategy, brother. I don't know. These nuts, bro, in your face, lead loader. That's a strategy that you should try. Now I'm thinking I should have exited. I'm gonna get punished for not taking my profit at my take profit, aren't I? Looking fine with them glasses. Bro, you're looking fine right now. Meme God, don't make me jump through this screen and hop into Germany, bro. I'll sit right on your lap. I think Justin is blowing me up again. I'm not answering his cold calls. Yeah. Don't worry about all that, B-Study. Just text him and say, hey, I'm going to go through Paul. I just showed you how to do this shit without spending a single dollar. All right, so we crushed this trade, man. If you guys want to see, I don't take any trades that aren't live on stream. Like, I don't bring old profit back into a stream. Every trade I take is live on stream. Well, yeah, of course it does. Of course it does. Look. So I would just ask, give me a take profit here. I am up 11%. Yeah, bro, if I was really... You know what? Let's start the day off right, bro. Let's grab profit right here. I'm going to fill here at around 11:03. I'm going to fill here at 11:03 in the market. Come on, bro. Please don't fuck me. Please don't fuck me. Please don't fuck me. I filled at 1085, bro. Oh, bro. I filled at 1085. We're filled though. I got out of Robinhood, guys. I just got out. I'll take 120 bucks. Damn. All right, whatever. That's the magic of a market order. We got out right before this massive gap down though. Show us the worst. Bro, you show me the worst. You see that schnitzel? Alright, so it's clean. It's clean until May 15th. So do we do another trade? I'll show you guys in real time how it works. Let me show you. Try whatever, bro. We're going to go again. We're just going to double it back. We're going to double it back. No. I use my own brokerage to fill the orders. What up, Johnny? How you feeling, bro? Yo, drop a like on the stream for your boy. We're doing another trade right now. So let me break down the process for you. I'm actually gonna wipe this. Okay, so if I was just starting off and I just came back from kissing the wall in Jerusalem and I had nothing, no active trades, and I'm sitting here twiddling my thumbs wondering what to trade, right? The first thing I need is a brokerage account. I need a brokerage account, and I have a brokerage account on my phone or my computer. The next thing I need a trade to take, right? Now, if I'm going to suggest to you what to do, I would not suggest you follow what I do. I would not suggest in any way, shape, or form you do what I do in the stock market by any means, especially if you're a beginner. Okay, if you're a beginner, I would just put all of my money repeatedly. Every week, I'd put $100 into the S&P 500 or whatever you could afford, right? For me, it's a different number. But here's what I do. Okay, so I just started off. I'm twiddling my thumbs. I don't know what to trade. I want to play ball. So I'm gonna go to Google and I'm gonna type in Tradealgo. I'm gonna type in Tradealgo, and then I'm gonna go to Tradealgo.com right here. I'm gonna click Tradealgo. Okay, and then I'm gonna go here to resources. So I'm on Tradealgo. I'm gonna go here to resources right here. I click resources, and then I go to Trade GPT. Now the next step is you're gonna use my prompt pack. I made a prompt pack just for this kind of shit. And I use prompt number 3. This is my bread and butter damn near every single day. I've been streaming for almost a year now. I use the same prompt at least once a day, every single day, unless I'm like testing new strategies. And every single trade I do is live on stream. And I use the same prompt. Okay, so I go here and I select this prompt. I select it. It says I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on an option based on your best analysis and recommendation. Just copy it. I just copy it, bro. I just copy the prompt and I paste the prompt into Trade GPT like this. Bing. Bong. Okay, now what is Trade GPT doing that's separate from Chat GPT? What is Trade GPT doing right now that I can't get anywhere else? It's scanning and it's looking through real-time stock market data, which Chat GPT doesn't have. And I invite you, use whatever AI you want, but you guys are asking me for an explanation. I'll break it down for you. And we got another Robinhood call. I'm not going to do this shit. Oh my God, I should have stayed in, bro. Dude, do we re-enter? Oh my God, bro. Do I want to re-enter this? and fuck around. This would be me fucking around and finding out if I got back into this Robinhood trade. At 75, 11.25, ask. I mean, bro, if I can fill below $11, I'll do it. But there's 0% chance I can. Let me see. Okay, so let's break this down. So it told me, bro, it's at 11.40 now. If you kiss the wall, your nose will go, bro. I can see the next TJR in the making here. So I don't sell a course, bro. Never compare me to a course seller. I do not sell a trading course. I'm here to level the playing field with free AI. Yo, what up, Trader Redbeard? Good play on Robinhood. Bro, take the money. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out on Robinhood, but I might get back in. Okay, so look, so it just told me to do Robinhood right now. It just said, you buy Robinhood at 10.20, bro. What are we talking about? All right. I'm going to do this as an example. I'm doing one contract, probably at $11. $75 strike, 10.10. $75 strike, 17th of April. Bro, I'm going to fill at 11.60, bro. I'll do one contract just to show you guys. Oh, I should have paper traded this. I shouldn't have done a real fucking trade, but I'm like fucking here now. Man. Okay, fuck it. I'm in. We already did this. We already made money on this. Okay, so now what do I have? I'm moving my entry here. And then I'll move my take profit here. Oh, God. Okay. All right. Sometimes you just double back, bro. Sometimes you double back. And then I'm putting my stop loss at break even so I don't lose any of my actual money on this trade. I'm only losing money that. Okay. Just be calm because you don't have a lot of money on this trade. You don't got a lot of money on this trade, bro. Okay. Just be cool. Everything is good. We're going to break. We're going to get it. We're going to double back. Okay, this is my entry. I filled at 11.55 Magic on this one contract that I filled. I 1,000% should have done a paper trade for education purposes. But sometimes, you know, you got to just go hard. This is 11.55 entry here on these Hood $75 for 11th April. Again, guys, I just filled this. I filled this seconds ago at 11:24 a.m. And then I wait here. So this is the line I got in at. I need this green line to go above like it's going above right now. You're going to get waxed, homie? Bro, I'll show you what waxing is, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please bring me that Magic. No, Magic, you come here. You come here and you bring the wax, bro. You come over here to Soho, Manhattan, and you bring the wax. You bring the wax, Magic. But yeah, does that answer the question for anyone's wondering how I'd use trades on Trade GPT? That's like the whole process. Now we watch. Oh my God. All right, just lock in. This thing is ripping. We're gonna get to an $87 Robinhood. You trade stocks? What is the platform? I use Webull to trade. How many Celsius have I drank? 1. But your boy is wired right now, actually. Your boy is on one right now. I'm down $7 on this. I only bought one contract. We're at 11.48. That's a fact, bro. That's a fact, B-Study. Yeah, just letting it ride. Just letting the micro trade ride. I got out of INTC and I got out of Delta Airlines. Look at TSLL. All right. A 2x Tesla ETF. Holy shit. Is there options on this? Yeah, there is. Bro, what the fuck? So, one thing I love doing is I love using the dashboard here and going to a stock like TSLL, some random shit. And then, you guys gotta understand, here's what Tradealgo looks at. So, TSLL, you could kind of look at TSLL like this. And then I scroll down here. First thing I'm gonna look at here is I'm gonna look at the unusual activity on a stock like this on today. And I see that TSLL, and what unusual activity is, these are like bank transactions. So today, B-Study, this stock has had $357 million in institutional transactions. On a 7-day average, they only have $216 million, right? You know what I mean? Oh, God. Okay, whatever. So I'm looking at all these institutional transactions, bro. I can see as of 2 minutes ago, there's a $6 million block order, $4 million block order on the stock. Bro, no one in their right mind is going to read any of these transactions. So I use Trade GPT and I say, what's the play? Is the current price a good entry? Dude, I'm going to tell you guys, if you guys were here for me re-entering this Robinhood trade, you understand what separates a good trader from a bad trader. Is the good trader doesn't do what I do. I treated my AI like a crystal ball and I got burned for it. That's what happened. I might not get burned for it. Yo, what up, Everyday Black? What up? What up, Karar? Yeah, I'm long on oil right now. My accuracy improved. Yeah, I did. What up, God? 9761. We're consolidating right here at my entry. If you can get in here between $10 and $11, you can. It's a good entry. Me, Sonny. Yeah, it just said between $10 and $11, so it's a little overpriced right now, is what it's saying. What price do you think Tesla will crash? I have no idea. I mean, I can ask my AI. I jumped, yeah. Yo, shout out for the subscriber. I had re-entered, so Everyday Black. I got like, this is the second time I'm doing this trade. I grabbed a fucking sick ass exit. And then I re-entered the trade for, like, educational purposes, I guess. I don't know what the fuck happened. Yeah, man. Yeah, we got... I mean, I still think we could get some motion here on Robinhood. Magic got a phenomenal fucking trade. A 1043 entry. Robinhood short is the play right now? I don't think so, bro. banks are putting billions of dollars into this stock right now, man. We're riding institutional coattails. Yo, drop a like on the stream if you're new. Yeah, I do all my trading on Tradealgo, yeah. I have no reason not to. I don't have the, I don't have the experience in trading or, like, the know-how in trading to say I could use anything else. Like, this is, like, mom's trading. Like, this is, like, mom-level trading. Okay, hold on. Oh, bro. My stop loss is not gonna get hit. I'm gonna grab cash again on this. Sup, don't worry. What up, Eric? What do you mean, don't worry? Yeah, man. And then I use Trade GPT for, like, long-term trades, too. Like, if I was going to grab a long-term trade, I'd... Like, I've made so much money from Trade GPT leaps, it's not even funny, bro. CoreWeave. 116 CoreWeave, love to see it. Tesla just keeps going up, bro. Paul, buy me ARC Raiders, please. No. I want to show you guys, like, the tax of, like... Let's pour some out from George. Yeah, bro, we lost George Faber, man. Like, very sad. Very, very, very sad. I mean, yeah, I almost want to have a moment of silence for bro. But yeah, we lost George Faber, guys. Yeah, absolute gem of a guy. I got to meet him and shit, and just really unfortunate. So, is Weeble best brokerage account? I don't know. I use Robinhood just as much as I use Weeble. Awesome for trading options, but Tasty Trade is cool. I like, I mean, I like any brokerage that has API access where I can have a bot or an agent, like, integrate. And then I also like any brokerage that, I like any brokerage that, that makes, like, it has a simple UI for options trading. Do AI work? I don't know. Does it? Yeah, for me it does. But it doesn't work for everybody. And I lose too, guys. Oh God. Yeah, Magic, man. I might be on team getting waxed right now. Was George a bot? No, dude. I met George in real life, bro. That's why it fucking sucks so bad. Like, I didn't, like, know, bro. But, like, I met him. I met his girlfriend when they came out to New York. We went to, like, a bar and shit together. The fact that he's gone now is, like, weird, bro. Super weird. I don't really know how to process it. Grief is a weird thing. You ever lost on AI? Yeah, of course, bro. What's your number one brokerage? Robinhood or Webull? And I only say Robinhood for holdings because their APY is insane right now. But, like, I'm not a technical trader. You got to remember, bro, William, I am not a technical trader. There's guys out there that like technical brokerages. I like simple UI. Give some tips. Do you have a course or just daily and follow? I don't have a course. No, I don't sell any type of courses. I use an AI that's free. If I were to show you in any direction, because I don't sell a course, I'd just tell you to use Tradealgo.com. No, he didn't die, B-Suddy. He didn't die. 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 My bad. That probably definitely seemed like bro died. He didn't die. He didn't die. He didn't die. But he is gone. He is gone. He is gone. Unfortunately. You made the app? No, I didn't make Tradealgo. I'm not the creator of Tradealgo. I'm just a big fan. All right, boys. I mean, we're waiting right now on a bounce back. If we can get back to our entry, I'm a happy camper. Got to get 30 likes. Yeah, get the 30 likes for your boy. George is gone, Steven. He didn't die. Yeah, well, no. Trader Redberry. Yeah, it's fucked. But that whole event was literally a catastrophe in the stock market. Are you talking about the GME shit? How do you know when to sell by? The AI tells me. The AI tells me. It also tells me what to set a stop loss at. Let's do another trade. Be sunny, bro. I would love for this AI to be a money printer and for me to just spawn winning trades. But like, bro, let's try to find a cheap guy and place it on a Mumu account. Yeah, my bad on that. My bad on that. I feel like I misconstrued that. I didn't know who it was, but I thought whoever you're referring to had died also. Wait, what happened to George? He's alive. It's just not going to be around anymore as much. We're not going to get into it, especially not on stream. What I need right now is I need a cheap trade for less than $1 premium. Yeah, he didn't die instantly, Eric. He didn't even die. Do I make money from YouTube or just make money from trading? I don't know. Ask Steven Davis. There's not really much money being made on YouTube right now for this stream, but I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to start making money from stream. Do the 1K account. That's what I'm thinking too, Johnny. I think I rip a 1K account trade. I think I do a trade with a $1,000 balance. Kind of corner myself. Have you traded any options while taking a shit? Yeah, of course. He got drafted. All right, let's do a trade. Yeah, I'm going to show you right now, Mr. H. So what am I going to do to start? The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google. So this is how I use my AI. I go to google.com and I search up Tradealgo. After I search Tradealgo, I just click on their website. It's tradealgo.com. So they're the first one right here. I click this. After I click this, you don't have to put your email in. They do like a news report where they tell you what banks are buying what stocks. I follow it. I think it's the email thing is cool, but and then I go here. So I go to Tradealgo's website. So just to refresh, I go to Tradealgo. I go to resources here on Tradealgo's website, and I go to TradeGPT, and this is what I use. Okay, and then I put in a TradeGPT. I'm just gonna say, fuck, man, it's dead time right now in the market. I want a swing trade with less than a $1 premium. Make it a simple. Analysis concise. I didn't spell concise or analysis right. I see you up. Yo, what up? I see you up, Paul. Yeah, bro, I appreciate you. So it's giving me a Roblox trade. Roblox put at 73 cents. What happened to that $100 challenge, $200 NVDA? Is that what we got right now? Robinhood's going to follow suit. Watch. Robinhood's going to $200 next. I'm about to crush a chorizo, potato, and egg burrito. Oh my god, yes, I'm jealous, bro. Hold on, I gotta pee. I'm gonna look at Roblox here when I come back, but I can't do it on a full bladder. All right, we're back. Dude, we're getting Chop City on Robinhood right now, bro. All right, let's take a look at Roblox. Every time I think of Roblox, I think of this girl I dated back in Las Vegas. And, like, that's the one thing we, like, bonded over, is we just play Roblox together for hours. So whenever I fucking see the Roblox stock, I always think of that chick. All right, anyway, I need to, so I'm looking at 24th of April. 24th of April, $55 puts. All right. Fit 24th of April, $55 puts. I mean, bro, there's interest. There's only 225 day volume. These are 67 cents. What do you mean when you buy super low? What do you mean? I'm choosing options contracts that don't cost that much money. I don't have much experience. I don't have much experience. What about intraday SPY? Probably not, bro. Not right now. There's not really much. There's not really much to do on an intraday SPY. Can you turn music down a bit? Yeah. How do you buy an options contract? A lot of people have less experience. Stream Mogger. What up, Stream Mogger? Yeah, a lot of people do have less experience. What's Roblox strike price? $55 put. 24th of April is what it's telling me, but I haven't placed the trade yet. Okay, we're looking. Buying a put. Buying it. This is the trade. I haven't even done it yet. I'm still kind of looking. Close in on thought process. I'm gonna show you guys right now. The thought process. Okay, so let me move this off the screen. That's my brokerage. Okay, so what's the thought process on a small trade like this? So like I'm gonna kind of put myself in a position, like mentally, of somebody who doesn't have a lot of money. Let's just say I had $25,000 somewhere, and all I had in an options account was $1,000. Right? The only money I had to my name in an options account was $1,000. I was broke. Right? I would do this. I would put a prompt like this, and I would do very cheap premiums, and I would allocate way less than 10% of my brokerage to I would dedicate less than 10% of my brokerage to every one of my trades. And that's still what I do on a larger level. But when I'm using this, I have a $1,000 account. I kind of put myself in a bind with trades like this. But so it just told me, I said, it's dead time right now. What that means is the market, there's nothing significant happening in the market. I want to trade with less than $1 premium, make it a simple directional call or put, keep analysis concise. And then when it gave me, it said, go buy this Roblox put, little bro. It said, go buy Roblox at 73 cents, little bro. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me just log in. Okay, so this is my Moo. Okay, this is a $1,000 account. What that means is I have $1,013 in here only to grow. Right, so I'm going to type in Roblox. Okay, I just type in Roblox on the top. And then, so usually you can just buy the stock. I just press trade, I can buy shares of the stock. That's not what I'm doing here. So I click options, and then I go here, and I select puts, right? Why? Because TradeGPT told me to do a put. It told me to do a put, okay? So I just go to put. And then I go down here and I find the $55 strike price. Then I select the expiration date, 24th of April. Okay? So I go down here and I select 24th of April. And then I go to $55. Okay, I see these are at 72 cents. I do a market order, and I buy one contract. For $81. And that is it. I have entered the trade. I buy two contracts. I feel like the Tesla setup is a decent short. But yeah, hey, did that answer anyone's question on how this shit works? That's how it works. That's how you do it. Exactly, Johnny Rogers. Johnny Rogers with the Johnny Rogers facts. Johnny Rogers with the Johnny Rogers fact. Yo, no, guys, don't follow my trades. I get it. I only invested $81. Guys, the point isn't to follow my trades, guys. You can do whatever you want, technically, right? But the point here isn't, I'm here to teach you how I do it. No, you can do it from your phone, bruh. I'm reading the group chat. No, nothing happened. Are you talking about George? What happened? I haven't even read the group chat. Let me see. Oh my God, bro. LOL, it's a cheap put. Keep teaching. Okay, just making sure you guys aren't, like, I am not your beacon. Paul is not your way out. Technology is your way out. You don't say shit. How am I teaching? I don't know. I'm just getting mogged by the stream mogger right now. That's what's happening. Maybe I'm not teaching and I'm just getting mogged. So I can do that on Tradealgo too. Yeah, but you need a brokerage, bruh. Trade GPT wasn't a thing last time I was trading options. How has it played out for me? I mean, I've been using Trade GPT every single day since August, and I'm up a lot of money. We're not going to get into specifics, but I don't sell a course, and I don't yeah, I mean, this is for you to interpret your own strategy. All right, here we go. We're getting some pressure on Roblox. Yes, sir. Which is the best brokerage account? I like Robinhood. It's simple. Okay, so look, Roblox. We are up 3% on Roblox. What'd you guys fill at? I filled at 80 cents. So anyone who got in cheaper than 80 cents, you're up money right now. We got an NVDA testing 200. Testing 200. I have Robinhood. Hey, that's cool, bro. That's cool. Thank you, Johnny Rogers. Now, Webull or Robinhood is my best. I like Moomoo because it has an API access. But if you guys are complete beginners and you need hand-holding, you guys should get coaching, bro. Like, hire somebody to teach you how this works. Filled at 83. I linked up my Rocket account. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. There's no way. Tradealgo doesn't do that, bro. Juan Ramirez. Tradealgo does not link to your brokerage account. You have the wrong Tradealgo. You guys see what I'm doing? I'm grabbing the trade. All right, we're cooking on this put right now. We're up. We're at 83, so B-Study, you're break even. Damn, bro, do you help me out? Plenty to spread with your tabs. Everyday Trader is the best coach ever. Who took SoFi trade? I didn't take a SoFi trade. All right, this music sucks, man. Holy fucking ass. What's the problem with this no copyright music, bro? What is a good week like for me? I don't know, like 30 bands on a really good week. Bad week, minus 50K. Yeah, boss, I corrected that. I like how you show us and let us interpret ourselves. I appreciate that. But one thing, when you don't show process, can you please explain common mistakes that can happen? Yeah, Bones Jones. Common mistakes that can happen, bro, is you could buy trades that have no interest. What that means is there's not a seller for when you want to go and sell the contract. And that's probably the biggest mistake that new options traders make. Buy me a DGX Spark for making AI. You can make 30K in a week from trading, Paul. Giveaway on Friday, probably. Yeah, probably. Friday's going to be weird. My brother gets into town Friday. But Bones, like, bro, like, the first question I have, and it sounds really personal, but don't let a question like this fuck with your head. But when somebody like me, you ask somebody like me for help, the first question I'm going to ask is, how much are you working with in your brokerage account? That's the first question I'm going to ask. How much are you working with in your brokerage account? And you have to understand the difference between an investing account and a trading account, okay? Because there's a difference. I invest before I trade. I invest in companies long before. I was investing in buying stocks in companies and shares in companies long before I started aggressively trading options. Love the arc raiders for making fun time. Honey Pack Trading Challenge. I like Mac all the way. The Vapor. You're the Vapor, bro. You're the slave killer. Martis, the slave killer. I can't even get into that, man. Your usernames, Martis, are enough to get me banned on stream. How much is a Spark? Bro, how much is a DGX Spark? Yo, this Roblox put is cooking. We're at 83 cents right now. It's NVIDIA's supercomputer designed for creating AI. Lead Loader, can I ask you something? Can I ask you something, Lead Loader? That I would ask, like, my cousin, it's so funny. My cousin is your age, and his name is Augustus. His name is Gus. I call him Gus, and I love Gus. Gus is Gus is one of my best friends. And he's always very curious about how all this stuff works, just like you are. But here's the thing. When I give Gus money, when I give my 13-year-old, 14-year-old cousin money, he doesn't ask me for, he doesn't go and wait 3 days and ask me for more money, right? He asks me for money, and he says, thank you, and then he waits probably a year, 2 years, like a very long time, before he goes in and he blatantly asks me for money again. And it's because he loves me. He appreciates me as a person. And then when we communicate, it's not necessarily about money. But however, Lead Loader, I found that every single conversation that we have, it leads into you asking me for more money. And so I just want to figure it out. I know you're young, and I get that. But why? But, like, is that how you see me? Do you see me as, like, an ATM, Lead Loader? I put it at 55 cents. No, I bought these are at 80 cents or at 83 cents right now. Simulate trades. Not about to start testing with options. Yeah, exactly, Johnny Rogers. Well, no, that's like my actual genuine question for Lead Loader. Is like, it's like, bro, like what is the purpose? Well, like, my question is, bro, is like, you're asking not a stranger, you're asking somebody on the internet for money, and it's just like an over and over and over repeating process again. So I just want to get your perspective on it, and I want to hear your justification for the amount of begging that you do to me, Lead Loader. I'd like to hear your justification before I send you any more money, and that even goes to giveaways and shit. I love Roblox. Hopefully it goes up. I actually need Roblox to go down to make money. Everyday ATM trader. Can I beg too? He just won it. Roblox is for Comos. Can I have $5? Bro, some of the baddest chicks I've ever met. Tens, bro. Tens. And they're always these Asian baddies. They all play Roblox. You gotta have a Roblox account in your back pocket to fucking start rizzing, bro. If you play Roblox as an adult, you're definitely on a watch list. Hey, bro, throw me on a watch list. Some of the finest chicks, girls I've ever met in my entire life live on Roblox. You're freaking awesome, dude. Hello from homeless guy in Cape Town, South Africa. Lead Loader hasn't said a single word since I asked him this question. I'm not going to forget this conversation. I'm going to bring this up every time we talk. My wife plays Roblox. Bro, yeah, I'm telling you right now, bro. The most beautiful, pure-hearted girls I've ever met in my entire life, they're not outside at the club. They're in the house playing Roblox. You really believe AI? Negrified hero. Yeah, I do. Negrified hero. Is that like racist? Am I allowed to say negrified on stream? Negrified hero. That's called catfishing using AI. Bold. Can you pull up the scoreboard? I stopped keeping track of lead loaders. What do you think about prop accounts? You are gooning to a man. No, bro, these are all people I've met in real life. What's the stimulant stack looking like? A lot of caffeine today, bro. That's it. Caffeine and... No, there's magic. Negrifying glass. Yeah, bro, I'm putting 5 to 10 grand. Cdovo, call me. I'll explain the whole process to you. Call me on IG right now, bro. You've called me before, right? I'll explain it to you. Anyone could call me right now. I'll explain the process to you. I'll put you on stream, though. That's the only caveat is I got to put you on stream. I go live at 11 a.m. every morning. If you couldn't say my name, you two would have taken me out a year ago. Damn. Yeah, bro. Dude, that Nike print was insane. Say my name, Martis the slave lover. Martis the slave fucker. That's a crazy name, bro. How much caffeine is in one Celsius? I think you're getting above $2, bro. I think you're getting above 200. I'm not sure though. I think it's like 150 at least. I don't actually know. $200 milligrams, bro. Eastern or Pacific, 11 a.m. Eastern. Hood is break even now. Yeah, just about. We climbed back. Thank you, Johnny. I forgot about that. Did Nike already go? Some of that movement might have already been priced in, but Brandon, that stock has been dropping all winter and all fall. That stock was dropping, so you definitely probably still have a run up time, especially when these big boys start buying it. Magic, what's your Robinhood at right now, bro? What do I think about prop accounts? Not really my thing. Let me see Robinhood. Yeah, I'm at break even right now, bro. I'm at break even right now, Johnny. You got out? What'd you get out at? I'm thinking oil puts here in about a week. I love playing geopolitics. It's a great play. I'm in an oil long for 2027. All right, homie's calling me on IG. Let me answer this real quick. Hold up, bro. I'm gonna answer it. I'm gonna call. I might have to call you back, but here we go. Yo.
Yo.
Can you hear me?
Hold on. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
All right,
yeah, so like I'm starting off with Like I could do 26, but I have one that has 11. But dude
For
said
show, for
I could only
show, for
make
show, for
50 to
show.
100 a day, but I'm seeing you do 3,500 today
On what?
of your profit on stream. Like you've made
Yeah. No,
$3,500
that's
today.
so you're looking there. So that trade. So MU, bro, I put. Let me look right now. I'll get you the exact number. I'll tell you exactly how much I put on this trade, but it's bro, it's I built up to this. Right? So I bought MU for $4,490. That trade is worth $7,225 now. Right?
Yeah.
So so I put $5,000 on it and I made what was it? $5,000. I did a 60% return. So that's where the $3,000 you're seeing on the screen is coming from. Now, the point isn't to like go super aggressive. Now, anyone can go and do it, right? I've met dudes who have a lot of money who's never traded options before that started trading with confidence and they make a lot of money. But for you, bro, I would start small. Look at what I do every day, right? I would just try to take my process and find a way that it works for you.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, because the options thing, that's huge. Like, I didn't even know how to do that, so you just showed it on the screen. I was like, what the fuck? Because I kept hearing you saying that you were buying stuff for like cents. I was like, what is he talking about?
Bro, I would
But
for
that makes
show,
huge sense.
I would for show get an options coach, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, I'm not even
Yeah, I
kidding, bro.
was thinking about
It
it.
sounds redundant, but I would get somebody to sit there with you and place trades with you and build out a strategy with you.
Because a lot of people were telling me, they're like, yo, like, just because you have bread doesn't mean like you won't lose a lot
For
if you're
show,
just
bro.
stupid.
You saw that day I lost 5K in like 10 seconds? Did you see that trade?
Yeah, I seen that. But at the end of the day, I mean, that was one day, bro. Shit happens.
But that's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, imagine if you start off, it'll fuck your whole confidence up, and that'll leave a bad taste in your mouth, especially when you're playing with real money. So what I would suggest, bro, is get a coach. Get a coach. And they do it. I'm not going to show you Tradealgo, but look around, bro. There's professionals out there that will sit with you, and they'll place trades with you, and that's got to be your start, bro, because it doesn't sound like you're broke. It sounds like you've worked hard and you have a little bit of money set aside. The money you put in, you're competing with the big boys. I'm competing with the order flow from BlackRock, even on this Robinhood and Roblox trade, right? The 4 or 5 grand I have, there's millions of dollars of contracts competing against better orders and filling better orders than me on this trade. It's not worth it for me to go and try to strong arm this and think that there's some money printer method, especially when you start using tools like this. The tools are powerful, but you need a coach to go through and teach you. I'm gonna give you my homie's number.
Okay, I got you. Bet. Yeah, and tell him too. I don't care. I'll throw money at him if he's teaching.
Yeah, let me see. I'm trying to find the best. I'll try to find the best fit for you. I'm gonna send you a number on Instagram.
Okay.
And I'll send you like their website. You can make sure they're legit and everything. But check out this dude I'm gonna send you, and he'll go through. But this is the dude who teaches. He taught all of the Tradealgo analysts how to trade. So he taught me how to trade.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, he's on some different shit, bro. He knows how to use this system and process like some crackhead shit. So I'm gonna send you his number, and then just tap in with me. Let me know how it goes, bro. I mean, yeah, don't don't pull the trigger until you know exactly what you're getting into. But I'll send you somebody's number. You can look into it.
Definitely, I appreciate you, brother.
I got you.
Thank
brother.
you, bro.
All right, God bless you.
You too.
Peace. Just send him my way. High risk, high reward. Yeah, I'm not sending him your way, bro. I don't know you. Didn't know Paul speaks monkey-ish. Just copy Paul, trust me. High risk, high reward. Hold on, let me turn my music back up. Don't pull the trigger. You know it's impossible for him, right? All right, bro. Astronaut says hi. I mean, what? So we're waiting on. Robinhood. I'm kind of in this waiting game right now on all of these stocks, bro. Except B-Study's call. Are you calling me? You're not calling me. B-Study isn't calling me. Can you send me a message on that instructor? Yeah, if you guys want who the instructor, do this. If you guys want my trading instructor, I know what this looks like. But I need to get your information somehow securely. I need to get your information somehow securely without you dropping it on streams. Here's what you're going to do. Go to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Go to my posts right here. And then go right here. And then just click this link and fill it out. So this link right here. You click this. You'll be brought right here. Ignore all this nonsense. And then just fill this out. But this is going to give the people a good idea. This does not go to a sales department. I'm telling you guys right now, if you guys fill this out, you will not be cold called by Tradealgo. This goes to me. And then I'll get your information and forward it over to somebody relevant. But if you're having any trouble, do that. And they'll help you out. But it's not about buying a course. Have lead loader call me. Zebra just wants BBC. How do I call you in Discord? B-Study, do you have Instagram? All right, hold up. Let me see. My guy.
You hear
What's
me?
up, bro?
What's up? Am I on stream?
You're on stream. Is that cool?
All right. What's up, guys? I just kind of want to give somebody, like, asking the $1,000 question. I've been doing it for 5 months now I started with 3K in a trading account, moved 1,000 over, and have been day trading it. And expectations to turn 1,000 into like $3,000, it's not there. If you have that, you're in the wrong boat.
Bro, yes.
That's the only thing. I'm down. My P&L now after 5 months is negative 250. I went from negative 800 to negative 250, and slowly this past month my P&L has just been dropping. But yeah, if you come into this with the expectation that you're going to turn 1,000 into 10 within 5 months, if you can do that, fucking teach me.
Bro,
but
seriously,
it's
go to the casino. That's what I tell people, bro. If your mindset is to turn $1,000 into 10,000 in less than a year, go to the casino, bro.
I'll put my 1,000 that I use every day, and I may make 20 to 30. And that's a good day for me. And some days I get 100.
Yo, I'll bet you.
And then some days I lose 200.
Yeah,
it's just kind of one of those things. It's going to the market just keeps eating at it, and then I get some and some good gains. And I just kind of want to share that info because I am trying to run a small account. And for anybody that's coming into this, want to throw money at it, I mean, stack your shares and just put 1,000 and only use, I think 5%, and play with it. Don't over leverage your account, because then you're going to lose a play throughout the day that you come across and you're over leveraged, or you got to deposit money. But I consistently just keep depositing money too, so it's just growing. What would
your response to be to somebody with a username Slime Don't Miss 9 saying he makes 5K a week and he doesn't know what we're talking about? CW, he's lying. He's lying. He's shilling you.
Yeah. To make 5K a week, he's probably got to be working on like $100,000 account.
Bro, yeah, exactly. I mean, I have well over $100,000 account, and a 5K week is baller for me, bro. I'm freaking out at a 5K week.
Yeah, you got to study the markets. You got to know the sectors, how the sectors operate. I don't know. I'm a trend line trader. And then I follow you and trade algo stuff, and so. But I trend line trade. I'm still in the charts. I'm new, trying to learn everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, coach would be awesome. I just haven't got to that point where I'm really ready for it yet.
100%.
Trying to eventually build my own systems. So.
Yeah, no, 100%. Yeah, it's like, I mean, but the mindset is like, since I don't sell a course and I don't have it, my thing is like, bro, like, let them burn. Right? I don't care enough. Your boy isn't in this. I don't gain anything from people using Tradealgo. I don't gain anything from people going and doing it. But like, my thing is like, bro, you're watching somebody with money attack this, and I'm up 1% on a trade, and it's like, bro, that's the expectation you should have, and I should be happy with 1%. If I did 1% a day, bro, I'm up more than 100% a year.
And if you haven't traded options, I would penny
even
stock
trade
options if you've
options,
never
bro.
done it.
I wouldn't trade
But
options until you start sitting with the professional and they look at all your shit and they say, yeah, you could throw an options trade at.
I'd say that too.
Exactly,
Yeah. This
bro.
isn't
Yes.
financial advice.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. 100%.
I just wanted to share that with he was asking me or asking Steph, and he said something about the $50. But I mean, if I can make $50 off $1,000, that's a win for me.
Yeah,
right there.
I'm going to need your help with something later on today, bro.
Okay. Just let me know.
Yeah,
I'll be around.
I'm going to hit you up. I can't talk about it on stream, but I need to hit you up about something.
Okay, that works.
All right, bet.
All right, man.
All right, I'll see you later.
All right, peace.
Peace. Yeah, that's Brandon Sutton, bro. Another perfect example of someone who understands the game, right? He's been in the game for almost a year, and he understands the game. You know what up, Torta Pounder? Yo, if you filled out that link for coaching, just let me know in the chat so I can go. I don't check that link. That link's like not linked to anything. It just puts it all in a Google Drive sheet, and it kind of gives me an idea. Yeah, exactly. Jonesy, yeah, 100%. But yeah, bro, that's like the whole premise. That's the whole premise, bro. All right, now we're cooking on Hood. Now we're cooking on Hood. Let's go. Come on. Let me update my P&L. I'm in this. No, I'm not at profit yet. Still waiting. We'll crack profit here in a second. Yeah, Johnny, that's why people have that's why you have this massive influx of futures traders because of that PDT rule. They're changing the rule this year, by the way. You're only going to need $2,000 in an account to break that restriction. Why would you get flags day trading on allowed? It's not a well. It's like it's really depending, bro. Before you start asking questions like that, get with a coach. You need 25K on a margin account. You can do as many as you want on a cash account. You need to wait for funds to settle. I'm going to have to look into that. Yeah, it hasn't changed yet, but yeah, I mean, tune in. Yeah, for real. Like, actually great share. Like, Magic, I'm sure your story with all this is good too, bro. What do you think about using Robinhood, or what would you use as a beginner? Yeah, you could use Robinhood as a beginner. Like I said, guys, I would work with somebody who knows what they're talking about. Yeah, exactly. I love your Magic story and how he got started. Yeah, Magic story is probably epic. Bro, I'm about to go homeless after the Christmas massacre. Yeah. The hardest R in the history of trading. All right, I'm up 23 bucks on this. This is an example. I'm getting out here, bro. We're at 1178. Yo, Magic, what happened, bro? Six months to stop using money. It took me 2 years to start being profitable. Hell yeah. Which people like Paul don't trade on holiday weeks. I made like 20 to 30 accounts with Tastyworks. Bro, don't you have to link a social security to those? Any U.S. brokerage, I have to put in my social. So I can't make multiple. I would have done that so fast, but I can't. You literally can't do it. You're getting out of Roblox? Let's see. I haven't even checked that shit. Nah. I mean, I'm only down 2%. I asked TradeGPT for a trade I could swing overnight. All right, let's hop out of. No, I'm getting out of Robinhood. I should wait for it to hit this take profit, but I mean, like, this was just an example trade. This is just like bonus cheese. They let me create sub accounts under a main LOL. The UI is trash, and that may be changed by now. All right, boys. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap up. I'll stay in. We'll check. We'll check Roblox tomorrow. He's gatekeeping his Tradealgo fierce competition. What am I gatekeeping? What would I be gatekeeping, Einstein? I'm losing my voice. New sub. Thank you, Knockout. Yeah, for sure. Magic's gonna be in the whip one time. I'm gonna catch him. I'm gonna grill the fuck out of him. Be like, bro, why do you copy my trades? Who's your friend? Yeah, Jonesy. I mean, that's just FOMO. How come no more afternoon streams? Cause a neighbor has been busy, bro. A neighbor has been busy. But yeah, I'm going to start to wrap up. I got to call my mom. And ask her for more trading money. I'm just playing. I do actually got to call my mom, though. She's trying to get me a lake house for my birthday. So she wants me to go like with my friends to a lake house. I'm like, are you sure that's what you want me doing? But if she's insisting. Matt's going to drop the hardest R you've ever heard. What's so funny is the core group of guys on this stream that like were here since the beginning. Like, I mean, the four of you guys, Magic, Steven, Johnny, and Zebra. And I guess George, of course, too. But like, it was so funny how all of us had the same mindset towards the world. And we just all were like the first people in the stream. I now stop by Paul's office one of these days. Yeah, next time you're in Manhattan, bro, hit me up. In KY, let's go. Now I gotta stay in upstate New York. I'm gonna go upstate New York. But yeah, guys, I'm good. I like, this is Chilly Willy. I'm gonna hop out of Robinhood right now. At a $23 profit. Shout out to freaking Trade GPT, bro. Yeah. I'm closing. $23 profit. That's it for the day, boys. Like a short on gold? What do you mean? Thank you, Expert Gaming. $11.45 on Hood? We closed at 11.78, big dog. We closed at 11.78. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Roblox and MU and XOM are my shits right now. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.